Hi everyone, welcome to Allu Srinivas Maths class. Now we discuss solution of a triangles in trigonometry. The three sides of a triangle and three angles of a triangle are called the elements of the triangle. They have given sides is denoted by small a, small b, small c, and angles is denoted by capital A, capital B, capital C. In this problem, in this chapter, they have given three elements of a triangle are given. The process of finding the remaining three elements is called the solution of triangle. Once again, three elements of a triangle are given. The process of finding the remaining three elements is called the solution of the triangle. This is the first method of the solution of triangles. They have given three sides, small a equal to 1 and small b equal to 2, small c equal to 3. That is the sides. We have to find the angles, capital A, capital B, capital C. We know the formulas finding the angles by using cosine rule in properties of triangle in this chapter. Write the formula for finding the angle A. Cos A equal to b square plus c square minus a square by 2bc. A value, b value, c value substitute in this formula, where b square is, b is the 2 square, that is the 4, c square is root 3 square is a 3, a square is a 1 by 2bc. b is the 2, c is the root 3, and then simplify. 4 plus 3 is the 7, 7 minus 1 is the 6, 6 by 2 2 is 4, 4 root 3, and then finally 2 cancel in numerator and denominator, 3 by 2 root 3. 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 by 2 root 3. So finally root 3 cancel, root 3 by 2. Cos A equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 can be written as cos 30 degrees. Both sides cos cancelled. A equal to 30 degrees. Next we have to find the angle B. The formula of cos B is a square plus c square minus b square by 2ac, where a is the 1, 1 square is a 1, c is the root 3 square is a 3, b 4 by 2ac. A is the 1, 2 is the 2. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 minus 4 by 0 by something is a 0. Cos B equal to 0, and then 0 can be written as in cosine terms cos 90 degrees. Both sides cos is cancelled, B is 90 degrees. Next we have to find angle C by using cosine rule, or we know the sum of the angles is 180 degrees. Cos C equal to a square plus b square minus c square by 2ab. Use this formula for finding the angle C, or we know in previous classes sum of three angles is 180 degrees. Angle A is a 30 degrees, substitute in this, and B is a 90 degrees, then we get C value. 90 plus 120 degrees plus C equal to 180, and then finally C equal to 60 degrees. So required angle C. So angle A is a 30 degrees, angle B is a 90 degrees, angle C is a 60 degrees. Thank you. We take another problem of, in this method, solve the triangle ABC with A equal to root 2, B equal to 2, C equal to root 3 minus 1. So now we have to find angle A, angle B, angle C. For that we write A square equal to 2, and then B square equal to 4, and then C square is apply the A minus B whole square, 4 minus 2 root 3. Next we write 2AB. 2AB is 4 root 2. Next we write the 2BC. 2BC, 2 2's 4. 4 of root 3 minus 1. Next we write 2CA. 2 root 2 into root 3 minus 1. For finding the angles A, angle B and angle C, first we have to write the formula for angle A, cosine rule. Cos A is B square plus C square minus A square by 2BC. B square is 4, C square is 4 minus 2 root 3, A square is minus 2. 2BC is 4 of root 3 minus 1. 4 plus 4, 8 minus 2 is a 6 minus 2 root 3 by 4 of root 3 minus 1. Numerator and denominator are 2 cancelled. 3 minus root 3 by 2 of root 3 minus 1. We take common root 3 from numerator, root 3 minus 1 by 2 of root 3 minus 1. So numerator and denominator root 3 minus 1 cancelled, and the remaining is cos A equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 can be written as in cosine terms is cos 30 degrees. Both sides cos cancelled, and the required angle is 30 degrees. Next to write the formula angle B in cosine rule. Cos B equal to A square plus C square minus B square by 2AC. A square is 2, C square is 4 minus 2 root 3 minus B square is minus 4 divided by 2AC. 2 root 2 into root 3 minus 1. And then 4 cancel. 2 minus 2 root 3 divided by 2 root 2 into root 3 minus 1. We take numerator common, cos B. From 2 terms minus 2 take root 3 minus 1. Denominator 2 root 2 into root 3 minus 1. And numerator and denominator root 3 minus 1 cancelled, and the remain and 2 cancelled, and the remaining is minus 1 by root 2. Minus 1 by root 2 can be written as in cosine terms cos 135 degrees. In both sides cos is cancelled, and the required angle is B equal to 135 degrees. And after that sum of three angles is 180 degrees. 180 degrees, where angle A is a 30 degrees, angle B is a 135 degrees, C equal to 180 degrees. Then finally C equal to 180 minus 165 degrees equal to 15 degrees. That is angle, required angle C equal to 15 degrees. Finally we get angle A equal to 30 degrees, angle B equal to 135 degrees, angle C equal to 15 degrees. This problem also find by using the calculator or mind calculation. Thank you.